All right, story time. So I'm going to try to give you a description of what it's like when you ignore parts of you. When feelings come up, when thoughts come up, and you're like, I don't have time to deal with this, or I'm going to ignore it and keep pushing. What you're doing is almost like you're pushing all of those thoughts and feelings into like this dark room. So imagine this dark room and all the thoughts and feelings that you didn't want to deal with, they're in there, baby. They didn't go away, they didn't die. You thought you hid them because you blocked off your ability to feel them, right? But they're in a dark room and they're bumping around, trying to find their way to the door. Because on the other side of the door, they know you're there and they want attention from you. So every time you get triggered, one of those thoughts and feelings that you suppressed or ignored are like, hey, is it my time? Can I get to the door? They're bumping through a bunch of shit to get to you. So you feel chaotic, you feel unstable, you feel frustrated, you feel insert an emotion that you try to suppress. That's what you end up feeling because they're trying to get seen by you. Because they have something to tell you about you that is going to help you grow, but you continue to ignore it because it feels uncomfortable for the moment. Baby, push through the discomfort, listen to the story that it has to tell you, and then allow that story to propel you forward. Stop running from it because it's not going anywhere. And what it does is it starts becoming this heavy weight that you carry around. And no matter how much success you think you achieve on the outside, you're going to feel like shit continuously on the inside because you're not dealing with you. So the help you seek is seeking you. I've already said this to you. It's time for you to look for the link tree in the bio and book it. One of the first suggestions I would have for you is to learn how to affirm the amazingness that you are. There's a workshop coming up, powerful affirmations. The link tree for that is in the bio. Invest in you. $33.33 is the cost of this workshop to invest in you, to dig for the strengths in all of the chaos that exists inside of you, to dig for the true strengths that would help you to go into that dark room and pull them babies out one by one and say, hey, what do you want from me? How can we collaborate together to make me a better person? Start today. Link tree in the bio for details.